minimalism for me is to have peace of mind. Kasi siguro karon nga tigulang na ta, mas ganahan ko gamay na butang para gamay ra ang hunaon.
Tinood.
Kana bitaw. So, wala lang. Murang siguro akong key takeaway na dili siya para sa tanan. It might work for me. It might work for you, but I don't think minimalism is for everyone.
Yeah.
So pero you can actually be, a minimalist for a lot of things. Siguro dili ka minimalist sa inyong balay, pero minimalist ka sa imong decisions. Gusto lang ka ang imong mga decisions is answerable by yes or no. Wala na maybe. Di ba? Kung maybe pa ka basin dugay pa nga decision, mas gusto lang ka yes or no na para yes mo na ni siya, no dili na parang manatanan.
Correct.
And I think I want to live that life. Okay, we're not getting any younger.